How to make the ultimate healthy breakfast smoothie. This healthy smoothie recipe is packed with protein, fiber, unsaturated fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. Follow our simple formula, memorize the ingredient amounts, then customize to your liking. Even better, our supercharged breakfast smoothie tastes great and keeps you full until lunchtime. But first, here's a breakdown of 5 essential ingredients that make the ultimate breakfast smoothie. Fruit. It's the backbone of any smoothie recipe, but fruit plays a much larger role than simply adding sweetness. Fruit is an excellent source of fiber and the good kind of carbs that serve as an essential source of fuel. Bananas are a smoothie staple, and they're a great source of potassium, and pair well with a wide variety of other fruits. Greek yogurt. Protein is the missing link in many smoothie recipes, but adding a small amount of Greek yogurt, just 1/4 cup, earns you 6 grams towards your daily goal. Yogurt also gives your smoothie a creamier consistency. Liquid. Unless you want to break your blender's blades, all smoothies need a little liquid to combine properly. We like using unsweetened almond milk. It adds a touch of creaminess without extra calories or added sugar, but you can use any variety of unsweetened nut milk, freshly squeezed orange juice, or just plain water. Nut butter. A scoop of your favorite nut butter adds satiating, unsaturated fats and a touch more protein to your smoothie. We love homemade almond butter for its incredible bang for your buck nutrition. Leafy greens. Last but not least, we love to sneak a handful of greens into our smoothies for an extra dose of fiber and key vitamins and minerals. Tender, mild-flavored greens such as baby spinach work best. We keep a running stock of frozen bananas to give our smoothies a thicker consistency, but a handful of ice achieves a similar effect. Optional mix-ins. Fresh herbs such as basil and mint or fresh ginger boost the flavor without affecting nutrition.